Well, moving now to the other news stories tonight and looking at, well, what some would say is a divide within the Sangh Parivar as well and within the BJP. And this is with Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi today announcing that he wouldn't make it to Delhi for the BJP National Executive.
After his high-profile three-day fast, Narendra Modi is defiant. His party is furious. He has said no to attending the two-day BJP National Executive from Saturday. The reason is his mentor of many decades, L.K. Advani, and his yatra against corruption.
मैं भी बात करूंगा अरुण जी को मैंने कहा नवरात्रि के कारण शायद उनको कोई अड़चन है उनसे बात करेंगे.
The result is a crack in the saffron face of the BJP. But sources say the party leadership is so unhappy that it's not going out of its way to persuade Modi to attend the meet. Though Modi's loyalists point out he has never stepped out of Gujarat during Navratri, many in the party feel this time he has gone too far. Modi objected to Advani Yatra starting from Gujarat, worried that the opposition will use it to target him. Advani then decided to start his Yatra from Bihar. Modi announced a fast and forced the party to fall in line. With a little nudge from the RSS, Modi had started his Delhi run. But Advani, forced to shift his Yatra from Bihar, played a masterstroke. To flag his Yatra, he roped in Nitish Kumar, the man who stopped Modi from coming to Bihar. A clear message that Advani is still more acceptable to NDA allies. Modi now finds himself confronting not one, but two challengers, Advani and Nitish. This despite clear signals from the party that Advani is not in the prime ministerial race.
ये यात्रा प्रधानमंत्री पद के लिए नहीं है. ये यात्रा देश को जगाने के लिए है.
The party is extremely unhappy with Narendra Modi. His no to attending a BJP meet in Delhi is being seen as a challenge to L.K. Advani and the party line. The message for Narendra Modi is that though he might be wanting to figure on the BJP hoardings in Delhi, but then he has to remember that Advani still is a political giant within the party structure and no one can throw a tackle at him and hope to move on. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app. Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.